Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have WhatsApp and contacts synced. Now act. First, make sure microphone and call permissions are granted, then open the person or group chat. Once there, locate the phone icon at the top, tap it to initiate a voice call. If the person isn't visible, tap their profile header, then choose voice call. Do this immediately, delays risk missing availability. This starts the direct connection and rings their device so the call can connect. Once the call rings, watch for their answer and confirm you hear them. If audio is low, tap speaker or connect Bluetooth. During the call, use the mute button to avoid background noise and press Add Contact to include another participant. This creates a group voice call. If you need video, tap the camera icon to switch. Make adjustments gradually. Abrupt toggles can disrupt the stream. Keep an eye on the signal indicator to decide whether to move to a stronger net. When you're done, press the red End Call button to disconnect. In group calls, confirm others left. If audio stutters or one side can't hear, first switch Wi-Fi or move closer to signal. Once done, reconnect the call. If problems persist, force close WhatsApp and reopen, or reboot your device to reset hardware locks. Also double-check microphone permissions and background data. This final check clears most issues, so you can retry a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.